guys, Lucia here. Welcome to your first Italian lesson. So just a bit of introduction. My name is Lucia and I am the General Manager of the Master Programs at the International Academy. Our international school is located in Naples, South Italy. And as probably most of you know, we've been on lockdown for the past month, so that's why today we got this wonderful board here. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just working with WordGap right now. So, if you'd like any info about our programs, do not hesitate to just write me here on Messenger, and I'll be happy to reply and give you more info. So, let's get started. Today, as I already told you yesterday in the video, we are going to learn about the Italian alphabet and its phonetics, but also we are going to learn a few words, and you'll be surprised, but you actually already know a bit of Italian, because some words are exactly the same in English and Italian. They're actually Italian. Like, let's begin with a few cliches, like pizza is obviously Italian, pasta, but also cappuccino is Italian. Then we got gelato, gelato is Italian, and like the word hotel, we also say it in Italian. There are a few words that in today's globalized world have become of very common use. They are actually English, but we use them every day. Like right now, there are a lot of people doing smart working. That's how we say it, because we are not going to work, so we're just working from home, and we call it smart working. Also, if we got, like, you're at work and your boss calls for a meeting, we say meeting, we don't say riunione anymore. So let's say that it will be easier than you thought to speak Italian, because some words are very easy to learn because we say the same in English, but also because, as we are going to see here, some English words, all you gotta do is just add a letter at the end to translate them in Italian, or in few cases we just need to change the last letter. So, first of all, I've divided the alphabet in two parts. There are the vowels here and the consonants here. This is because even though the Italian alphabet is a bit shorter than the English one, we've only got 21 letters, there is a small issue that basically all the consonant letters, we pronounce them differently. If we are saying the alphabet, we pronounce them in a way, but when we read a word, we actually read them in another way. It will be much easier once we get started. It is easier than I make it sound. So, let's get started. I'll just grab a marker. If you can, please just grab a pen and a copybook and just write it down everything. So, first letter of the alphabet and of our vowels is the letter A. In English, A. A. So, the vowels, for the vowels, we read them the same way, both in the alphabet and if we are reading a word. So, this is going to be very easy. So, the letter A, we use it in the word in English, American. In Italian, all you gotta do to translate American is just add an O at the end. Americano, like the coffee. Then we move on to the letter E. In Italian is E. E, like element. In Italian, elemento. So, once again, all we do is just add an O at the end. American becomes Americano. Element becomes elemento. Then we got the letter I. So, for the I, in Italian, we pronounce it like the letter E in English. So, the I will be E. Like, what are you learning right now? You're learning Italian, which in Italian becomes, can you guess it? Yeah, that's right. Italiano. Once again, all we do is just add an O at the end. And then it comes to the letter O. O. We say O. Like in the word origin, in Italian, this is different. We add an E. But how do we pronounce the E? We said it here. It's E. So this will be origin, origine, origine. Okay? Then for the last vowel, I cannot come up with an English word where you only need to learn, only you need to add the letter at the end to make it Italian. So I will just teach you an Italian word. Let's say ultimo. So the U, we pronounce it U, U. Okay? Ultimo means last. Like, I was the last one to join the Italian lesson. I was the ultimo to join the Italian lesson. Okay? So, we got A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Just please guys, always make sure to repeat after me, because I think this is really the best way to learn. Otherwise, at the end of this lesson, all you have is just me talking, and you're probably not going to remember much. But I find it very useful to always repeat something that you're learning. So, just repeat after me, okay? Americano, elemento, italiano, origine, and last one, ultimo. Okay? Well done, guys. So, now we move on to the hard part. So, as I was telling you before, in Italian, all these letters, we pronounce them in a way when we say the alphabet, but we pronounce them differently when we read the word. So, first letter will be the B. In the alphabet, in the Italian alphabet, it's going to be the same as in English, B. But when we read the word, it will be B. Like, sorry about that, sliding doors. B will be B. So like barbaric. In Italian, all you do is just add an O at the end. Barbarico. Okay? Then we got the letter C. In Italian, in the Italian alphabet is C. Okay? But when we read a word, it's K, like credit. In Italian, credit, O. You guessed it. And then letter D will be in the alphabet D, but when you read the word, it's the. Okay? Desert becomes deserto. And then we got the letter F is F in the alphabet, and we read it as F, F. So the form becomes forma. We just add an A at the end because this is a feminine noun, but more about that in another lesson. Then we got the letter G. It's G. We pronounce it G when we read the word. So gravit. Oh yeah, this one we are not going to add a letter at the end for gravity. You're just going to swap the Y for an A. Well, actually it comes with an accent. Gravità. Okay? Then the letter H in Italian is H. So right now I don't want to put too much on your plate, so I'm just gonna say that the H, the H in Italian is mute. We do not pronounce the H. Okay? A word that is the same in English and Italian is hotel. We say hotel, same. Okay? Then we got the letter L, L. When we read the word, it's L. limit becomes limited. Okay? M is M. When you read the word, it's M. So moment is in Italian momento. N, nomad becomes nomade. The letter P, same in the Italian alphabet, we say P. And we read it as P. So progress is progresso. Easy, right? Then the letter Q, we say Q. And the only word that I come up with is quarterback. The football probably is the game. The player of that game. I'm not sure which one. It's very popular in America. So quarterback. An Italian word with Q is quadro. Quadro is that one, if you can see it, is a painting. Okay? Then we got the letter R. Romantic. In Italian, romantico. Okay? S. Second becomes secondo. Okay? Letter T, same in the Italian alphabet, is T. We pronounce it T. So like Texan, a person who comes from Texas, in Italian is a texano. Okay? Visit, letter V, we say V when you're reading a word. Like, I paid a visit to my grandma, we say visita. Last letter will be the letter Z, in Italian zeta, and we pronounce it Z. So, the English word zebra, in Italian, how do you think we read it? So, I told you that the E, we pronounce it E. So, English would be zebra, but Italian is, correct, it's zebra. Okay? So, that was it for the Italian alphabet, and you already learned like 21 Italian words.